guys, we ordered crystal shrimp dumplings and then wild mushroom with matsutake dumplings. Pineapple bun with fresh butter. I think ito yun. Ay, hindi. Ito yun. So guys, this is the pineapple bun with fresh butter. So basically, monay lang siya. On top, merong pineapple something and then may big chunk of butter. This one is wild mushroom with mitsutake dumpling. And then this one is the crystal shrimp. Pork intestine. $15 per stick. Diba guys? Ang mahal. Butter. All I can taste is butter. Parang sweet. Wala ko masyadong malasahan na pineapple. Yung jelly, try natin with the sauce. Yung jelly ng texture niya. Wala ka ng kulaan. Kaya ang hirap kulaan. Na jelly na madulas na. Sakto lang, not bad. Pero it's not really that. Ito gusto ko yung laman ng mushroom. Pero yung...
Ang hirap ang bangat naman.
Ang hirap kayo. Yung wrap, ang hirap. Ang dulas. Hey guys, good morning. So today is our Disneyland day. 10:30 AM pa yung opening ng Hong Kong Disneyland. So it's currently 8:23 AM and we're having our breakfast here at Asai. Thank you. Oh, ano kaya laman nito, no? I ordered macaroni with imitation abalone and then my ham. Para siyang sopas without milk. And then we have bun and omelette. So parang ito yung sopas nila guys kaso walang gatas. And thank you. And this one may corn. Sarap. Parang ang sopas pero wala lang milk. Ito yung order ni M. Joy. Ano natin yung soup? Sarap. May parang creamy flavor. Ito medyo bland siya pero parang tama lang. Compared dito kasi sobrang rich ng flavor.
May naman siya. Kala ko ano lang.
So yung mga breakfast dito, merong mga a la carte pero yung in-order namin, set siya. Meron siyang kasamang bun and egg and then coffee. First time ko makatikim nitong imitation abal. So we're here at Ichiran in Hong Kong. We're gonna have our dinner for tonight. So I ordered the classic tonkatsu ramen. So if some of you may know, Ichiran ramen is like, you know, yung sa mga Japanese restaurant na merong mga divider like this one. So table for one person lang siya. Ito yung POV ko. Diyan lalabas yung ramen mamaya. And then if may katabi ka, hindi mo siya makikita kumakain unless sumilip kang ganun. Anyway, sana masarap itong pagkain. Feel ko naman masarap. The ramen costs 98 Hong Kong dollars. Then yung mga meal set nila, yung mga ramen set, it costs as low as 200 Hong Kong dollars. So this is our order guys. The classic tonkatsu ramen and it costs 98 Hong Kong dollars. So this is the cheapest ramen na available sa menu nila. So first of course, let's try the soup. Sarap. Sarap. Yummy! Merong slice of pork. Sabi the noodles, the soup, sarap ng broth. Super rich yung flavor. Slices pala yung pork. Sarap. Bali pag order pala kayo dito guys, meron kang i-scan and then i-redirect it kanila sa site nila. From there, you can choose your food and then pag select mo yung ramen, meron daw mga options. Parang sa typical ramen store sa Philippines din. Noodles, ganun. Kung ilang garlic, kung may green onions. Tapos, meron ding option na i-select mo yung chef's recommendation. Since yung option na sinelect ko is puro chef's recommendation, like puro medium lang. Sakto lang yung flavor niya. Hindi siya super anghang, pero may hint of pagka-spicy. Guys, bumili pala kami ng onting mga snacks for pasalubong dito sa Bestmart 360. And ito yung napamili ko. Yung nabili ko palang is KitKat tsaka parang red bean na bread. And then, try pa namin maghanap sa ibang store for other options. So guys, we ordered pan-fried buns. They have Michelin stars. Kaya ako gusto i-try ito.
Ay, sabaw. Sarap. Sarap na sabaw.
Parang siyang fried xiaolongbang.